Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Siri and Search. This gets you straight to the controls. Once there, make sure Siri is enabled and the voice options are visible. If you want hands-free, enable Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri if you prefer. Make sure your device is unlocked and on Wi-Fi or cellular because voices may download. Now tap Voice or Siri Voice to move to the selection list and prepare to preview options. You'll see a list of accents and voice variants. Tap any entry to hear a preview. Once you pick a voice you like, select it, and if required, the system will download the voice file. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have sufficient storage because downloads can be tens of megabytes. While waiting, you can switch between accents to compare tone and clarity. If a download stalls, pause other network activity and retry, then confirm the voice shows as installed. Once the voice shows as installed, test it immediately by saying Hey Siri or pressing the side or home button to summon Siri. You'll hear the new tone and can judge clarity and naturalness. If you want adjustments, return to Siri voice and try another option. The setting persists after restarts. If Siri still speaks the old voice, restart the device and if needed, toggle Siri off and on. Make sure the download finished and that you're not in low power mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.